Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the compressor start relay in the Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new compressor start relay. The compressor start relay is installed on the side of the compressor on its two terminals. The start relay provides power to the compressor's start and run windings, turning the start winding off as soon as the motor starts running. If your refrigerator stops cooling and you can hear a click coming from the back of the fridge every few minutes, it's most likely time for a new compressor start relay. Get to the rear of your refrigerator. To get to the part, we need to remove this bottom access panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the screws, open and remove the access panel. Using two flat blade screwdrivers, pry the cover box off. Then carefully, not to damage the terminals, pry the start relay off with one of the screwdrivers. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the wires from the relay. Memorize the order. This is the old compressor start relay next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Connect the wires. Install the start relay onto the compressor terminals. Make sure it's on all the way. Install the cover box. The top first, then push the bottom on. Use the opportunity to clean the condenser coils. Vacuum first, and then use soap and spray it. Alright, so don't turn it on while it's still dripping. Let it dry up a little bit. Install the rear access panel onto the bottom clips. And secure to the Phillips screws. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.